On this episode of the Studebaker Restoration, cab's coming off. Stay tuned and watch. If you haven't figured it out already, you see what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using my winch off of my trailer to put on the, what do you call it, that little pulley right there, which they call a snatch block. It'll work the same way. And then I'll have straps coming through the windows, window frames and doors to lift up, and then roll the truck forward and hopefully be able to drop the cab right there. So yeah, that's kind of the plan. We'll see if it works out. I think my battery went dead as I was lowering this down. I don't know what part you didn't see. I'll have to go through the video. Anyway, it's on the cart, so now I can move it around. First time since new. Anyway, moves around just fine. All right, just gotta get that thing set up. So watching through the video, you saw that I was having issues with the swing set kind of lifting up. I ended up having to anchor this thing to the tree to keep it from moving, because so the cable is actually pulling the swing set forward. And I think I have an uneven leg as well, but it's probably actually my concrete. That back one just wanted to fall out the whole time. Anyway, still got it out. Here's the truck without the cab on it, but I'm pretty excited. So now I'm just going to go ahead and strip off all this as much as I can to keep it a rolling chassis, and everything else kind of just fall off, or everything else I can blast off after I remove it. But yeah, getting there, one step at a time. Here's the cab on the cart. Rolls pretty good. I think I meant to put this further inside, but I'm gonna go build some type of rotisserie for it. So once I do that, I want to figure out how I'm going to work that one. But otherwise, it's not too bad. It rolls real easy, so it should be easy in and out. But good. So anyway, that's about it. Just going to push this back into its spot and then pack everything up. Probably won't do anything else today, but hopefully go ahead and get things started the next video. Finishing out, stripping out the cab. Just very little left. Get the doors out. That's really about it. It's not much. And once I get that, I can start blasting and working on rust repair, and hopefully get the body work done sooner than later. All right. Until next time.